Oh, where's the washer? Ada washer ke tidak It's supposed to have a washer. That's a dishwasher, right? Kita berhenti sekejap di Omar Rama, the small town, untuk get coffee lah. So we have been driving for the last 1.5 hours, I think, roughly about 1.5 hours. So insyaAllah dalam 1 more hour drive kita sampai ke Aoraki lah. That is a Mount Cook punya base. Not really base but near there. So this is, you can see the punya town is already near the mountains. Then tempat valley juga. Belakang-belakang ni mountain and then there's hills belakang. We are gonna stop at this Oasis Cafe and Bar. And jalan-jalan tengok ada benda-benda ni sikit. Come. Beginilah kalau jalan usia yang dah tua ni kan. So the whole trip kita nampak memang pasangan-pasangan yang tua lah, much older than us, daripada kita 60-70 tahun. So kita basically antara yang muda di kalangan yang tua berjalan. So you see this? Rasa macam tempat dalam movie-movie Masadi road trip betul-betul tepi jalan, diner tepi jalan. So kita minum kopi je, have a break dah 1.5 jam bawa kereta. We will be heading to the mountains insyaAllah. Kita baru lepas Twizel and I have to make the stop lah. This view is just magnificent, Masya Allah. Bakal tak boleh fly drone sini because ada airport lepas situ. But you see the mountain ranges. Kita akan jalan terus ke Aoraki, which is the foot of the tempat the mulanya trekking untuk the Mount Cook punya area lah. There's gonna be somewhere there. So kita akan lalu sebelah kiri all the mountain ranges, nanti sebelah kanan insyaAllah the Lake Pukaki. So I can't wait to see how it is, but I just have to make a stop lepas sini, Masya Allah. Inilah kereta kita. Kita stop by the roadside. Kita berhenti sekejap tempat the viewpoint. I don't know what's the name of this place. So Mount Cook is gonna be right at the end there. So sini kita boleh nampak dia punya Lake Pukaki. Dia kecil sikit daripada Lake Tekapo, tapi this is the road yang kita nak pergi ke Aoraki. That is at the base of the Mount Cook. Cantik sekali. It's just amazing. Kita berhenti sekejap walaupun hujan renyai-renyai, but I want you guys to see this. Masya Allah. Ini dah nak sampai Hooker Valley. Masya Allah. Cuaca kali ni kan, pagi hari dia panas, And bila tengah hari ke atas ke petang selalunya hujan. Now of course ni tempat mountain range kan, dia punya pressure system lain, so hujan dia kerap sekali lah waktu petang sekarang ni. But korang tengoklah tempat belakang aku ni, Masya Allah. Dah hujan-hujan sejuk ni mesti cari toilet dulu. InsyaAllah belakang aku ni kita betul-betul tempat Valley of Mountains lah. Banyak kiri kanan, depan belakang. Tempat sini is boleh pergi camping, and there's a hiking punya trail tempat sini. Tapi I think you kalau nak camping ke apa mesti register dulu. So this is the Key Point track, 1 hour return. You can do the trek and then the Silitans Mula Hut route, 3 to 5 hours one way. So I think the Hut route the other side. And sebelah sini, siapa kalau bawa RV boleh park. So you can see down here ramai orang park kereta dan dia RV. Let me show you. Can you look behind me? Situ kalau kau nak buat trek lah, a hike, a walk, I think about maybe 1 hour to 3 hours yang walk, the go round. But I'm not doing it sebab hujan. Tak nampak sangat and it's cold. Tempat situ lah dia ada yang apa, bridge tu, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not going there sebab I just want to go to the toilet and then I'm driving back to Twizel already. But the scenery, my goodness. So Mount Cook according to the map is about 16 kilometers daripada sini. Itu kalau kau nak kena trek lah, kalau kau nak pergi mountaineering kan. So I think from here you can go to that side. But down here is just nice untuk just park kereta, relax, tengok scenery je. Sini boleh tempat rehat. Sejuk sangat ke hujan ke snow maybe, masuk dalam hut ini, sebelah toilet dia, tempat rehat. Boleh cuci-cuci, prepare your food juga. Hujan ni sejuk tau. Kalau winter aku rasa dah snow dah kat sini. Confirm snow. Look at that. Kita dah sampai Twizel. It's a nice small town, cantik, scenic, dikelilingi oleh gunung-gunung dan bukit-bukit. So nanti kita nak pergi tempat the Foursquare Supermarket, nak beli telur lagi. Tapi before that kita nak jalan pergi sana, tengok dia punya pharmacy dengan kedai-kedai yang lain. Ada hunting punya kedai juga. Cantik ni. Okay, this is the Twizel Marketplace. Okay, so Twizel tak boleh ada freedom camping. The freedom camping is where kau rent the RV tu kan, motorhome, and you can park mana. So sini tak boleh pasal ni semua tempat rumah-rumah orang. And this is the marketplace. Dia ada dia punya event space, supermarket dan banyak-banyak kedai lagi. And they are big with the recycling punya rubbish ni semua. Ada joget, having fun.
Dia betul lah.
Yalah.
Kan sini ada, sini ada. So, anak.
Suhu di Twizel ni baru 18 degrees dia taruh situ. So air condition room lah, a very cool air condition room kan. For 22, 18 degrees. Aku ingatkan di Twizel ni dah dekat-dekat dengan gunung, the valley and all kan. Lagi sejuk. Rupanya Wanaka lagi sejuk. Wanaka pagi-pagi angin dia tiup sampai ke berapa? 8 degrees, 7 degrees feels like 7, 6 degrees. Tapi sekarang ni is pretty warm, 18. Tak ada breeze macam tempat Lake Wanaka. But it's just nice lah. And sekarang kita belanja di Foursquare supermarket. Macam Mr. Bean lah. Tempat supermarket New Zealand ni, kalau kita nak beli dia punya daging lembu kan, ada brand yang dia jamin halal. On the website memang dia ada dia punya Muslim Slaughterhouse. So one of it is Fernhill punya brand. I tried that one. And it's confirmed memang diorang ada halal punya certified slaughterhouse. Fresh betul nampak Dia punya onion ni kau besar-besar betul. Nampak really fresh produce Broccoli dia pun 4.49 CR, RM4.5 duit dia lah. Cantik-cantiknya. Generally harga makanan mahal sini. Okay, kita beli yang ini je lah. Pasal kita ada banyak lagi barang-barang kita dah beli. Okay, we got our supplies and now kita nak pergi tempat kita Airbnb and check in. Kita dah sampai tempat kita punya cottage Airbnb. Okay, this is a very nice place guys. It is called the Arohanui Cottage. Kita pilih yang the smaller one lah because only 2 of us kan. Tapi sebelah dia ada 2 property actually. Dia lagi besar. So for family room, for family of maybe 4 to 6 couple, probably ni be better lah. Dia kita betul-betul sebelah main road. I show you all the whole place, jadi you have a better idea. So the address is this thing, 15A NWA, Northwest something lah. And that is kita punya Airbnb, a nice 2-room punya ni. And this is the next one where it is much bigger. This is through Airbnb. I forgot harga dah lupa lah. Very nice. Wow. And apa ni? Oh, it's a mushroom guys. I don't think ni ada orang, because this is open for rental juga, Airbnb. And this is, diorang cakap nak tak buang sampah, ada colour code. Ada yang rubbish, ada yang for recycle. This is the shed. Wow, rumah diorang besar betul lah. Yeah, this is definitely for a big family. Boleh, I think boleh sewa kat sini. And I think diorang masih bakar kayu untuk warmer. But I guess tempat dalam diorang mesti ada that aircon heater. Ini rumah-rumah orang. This is the Twizel punya residence lah. Besar dia punya compound ni. I think this easily can fit 1 basketball court. Okay, let's just move. Dia punya light on lah. Maybe ada orang. Agaknya ada orang. So nice cozy place yang kita akan stay for 1 night saja before we go to Lake Tekapo tomorrow, insyaAllah. Now I show you rumah kita di luar. Alamak, kerusi pula tengah langgang. Let's put you up. Baik-baik. Here you go. Nice cozy place. Kitchen dekat situ. Bedroom dekat sini. Okay, my wife is there. And it opens to the bedroom guys. This is master bedroom. Can you open the other door juga? Kitchen dia pun sama juga. Kau keluar je. Actually those are the mountains there. Cuma kita kena block dengan all these pine trees lah. This is the second room. But this is the kitchen. So guys, this is the kitchen. Balu right? Very nice. Tempat masak, tempat... Where's the washer? Oh, ada washer ke tidak eh? It's supposed to have a washer. That's a dishwasher right? Yeah, that's a dishwasher. Pakai nampak. Then probably tomorrow. Okay guys, dia punya washing machine masuk main door saja. Tempat tepi ni, they cover with this. So there's the washing machine. So alhamdulillah aku boleh cuci baju. And dia punya sink. Nice. And this is the kitchenette. Actually full kitchen lah, bukan kitchenette. Dishwashing machine, which kita jarang guna lah. Aircon. So usually aircon dia mesti ada dengan heater. It's a nice place. I would recommend this. Very petite, nice place. A single room and a double room. Tadi kita masuk dari luar kan. Ini closet guys. Bantal semua ada extra. Ironing board semua ada. Kalau nak duduk sini 1 minggu pun wah, syok lah. Okay, the toilet is very clean. It's a very clean property. This is a warmer heater. You on, angin panas akan keluar. And there you go. Tempat dia shower. Clean, very nice, we like it. Okay, bidet kita ada, it's okay. And petang-petang kita boleh duduk relax kat sini. There's a mountain boleh nampak through the trees lah. And tengok sini. Oh, dah hujan. Dah drizzle dah. I was hoping malam ni clear skies, tak ada clouds. Jadi kita boleh ambil astrophotography. But tengoklah macam mana. Kalau gelap gelita dan nampak terang benderang bintang-bintang kan. Maybe we can see the Milky Way. I don't know. Tapi sekarang dah hujan. Selamat pagi. Bangun pagi Pak Toizel. Pergi depan lawn, boleh petik buah pine besar ni. Tajam. Semalam was cloudy, the whole night was cloudy, so tak dapat ambil gambar the stars. And hari ni pagi ni sejuk. Angin sepoi ni, I think this is about, rasa macam maybe 7 degrees. Lebih colder daripada Wanaka. Tempat dia memang tenang lah. Toizel is a very small town. Okay dah exercise pagi. Jalan-jalan. The next day in Twizel town. Okay, panas. Twizel ni dia punya town kecil sangat. Dia macam kampung tau. Tapi bukan macam kampung kita lah. Seolah-olah macam adanya kampung kecil, pekan kecil. And jalan raya dia macam, tadi aku bawa kereta aku seorang-seorang kan, as though macam kau boleh baring kat atas jalan raya dia pun okey. Tak ada kereta. Very quiet, empty. Tempat dia cantik. So Twizel town is a nice place to rest and relax. Tak boleh buat apa-apa lah. Kau relax je. Okay, pagi ni kita cari kopi dulu lah sebelum kita pergi ke Lake Tekapo. Tengok apa dia ada. Selalu minum kopi dengan roti je lah. Really kosong guys. It's because it's a small town. They serve a small community. Jadi bila selalunya kalau macam the small town, small community, harga barang will be slightly higher lah, mahal sikit. Sebab supply and demand kan, volume kurang. But this is really a nice retirementnya place lah. A very expensive retirement place. Anyway, hari ni alhamdulillah cuaca cantik, terang tapi sejuk. Okay, kita nak tinggalkan Twizel. Terima kasih Twizel. Sekarang kita nak bertolak ke Lake Tekapo. Dalam mungkin 45 minit sampai lah. Dia dekat saja. But along the way kita akan berhenti nak tengok tempat adanya viewpoints. We will be passing Lake Pukaki. Oh, sini ada orang buat skydive lah. That's why the airport is just there. And tempat sini boleh buat macam-macam punya extreme sports lah. There's skydiving, there's gliding, the glider. Boleh naik kapal terbang, pergi tengok adanya gunung-gunung. I think they do tandem jump juga. So I'm seeing one guy tengah skydive, lepas tu landing soon already. So itulah Twizel. Tempat dia memang menarik sekali. And public toilet dia, it's all around there. And tempat sini dia ada tunjuk dia punya temperature, and it is 13 degrees Celsius. You can see that. The time is 11:27 and 13 degrees Celsius. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe dan ikuti kami bersama di episod akan datang untuk menjelajah dunia yang terbentang luas ini.